And there you go guys, as you can see right here, it's activated premium subscription for Spotify Premium, and it's activated for 12 months guys. As you can see, it's a plan Spotify Premium for 12 months. So guys, that's how you can get free Spotify Premium. Alright guys, so first you need to open your browser. You can use any browser you want, and you need to go to this site. You can see in the screen. Alright, once you land on the website, you need to scroll down, and you need to find the Spotify. You can either search for it, or you can just find from scrolling. Alright, once you find it, please click on redeem. Alright, now here scroll down, and you can see here we have a Spotify Premium 12 months codes available. So click on go button, and then scratch here to reveal. Alright guys, as you can see, the code has been revealed, but the last four digits are still hidden, and we need to complete two tasks missions to unlock them. So click on this receive my full code button. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, we have to complete any of those two offers and run them based on the instructions provided on these offers. So let me do it. I'm going to complete any two offers and run them based on the instruction provided on each offer. Alright, so let's do it. Let's complete another offer. Remember guys, you might see a different offer, so based on your location. You won't see the same offer I'm getting. So remember that you might get different offers. So based on those offers, you might have a different requirements. So complete based on those requirements. All right, as you can see, we have installed the application. Now let's open and run them as instructed. All right. Remember guys, if you don't complete offers correctly, we won't receive a free Spotify Premium code, because this is a very important steps. So make sure that you read the offers description and complete very carefully. Alright guys, so we have completed the first offer. Let's close this, and let's complete another one, which is Paytm. Let's run it for 30 seconds like Alright guys, so we have completed both offers. Now it's time to close this, and let's get back to the verification page. Let's go back again. Now we need to scroll, refresh, and let's wait. Alright, so refresh has been done. We can refresh it again. Now let's go and check. Let's scratch again, and there you go guys. As you can see right here, we have successfully unlocked the last 4 digit. Now we have to open Spotify Premium web page, and we have to redeem the code. So let's go and redeem this code. Guys, so I am at the page of Spotify redeem code. Let's redeem the code we just unlocked. So let me tap the code. Alright guys, so I have submitted the code. Let's click continue, and let's redeem it. And there you go guys, as you can see right here, it's activated premium subscription for Spotify Premium, and it's activated for 12 months guys. As you can see, it's a plan Spotify Premium for 12 months. So guys, that's how you can get free Spotify Premium by using our method. If you need any help, please let me know in the comment box, and I will try to help you out guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.